Now we're moving into the daily content, and we'll start with the welcome message. This part is optional, but it's highly recommended. The welcome message is sent immediately when someone completes the payment and joins your challenge, and it's the first interaction they have with you as a participant. The message is sent based on the channel each participant chooses to receive the challenge content through. One of the key benefits of CommuniPass is that every participant can choose their preferred delivery channel, whether that's WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or email, and we're continuously adding more options. This flexibility helps you reach people where they're already active, which usually leads to much higher engagement. The welcome message is a great place to greet new participants, set expectations, and remind them what they've joined. For example, if your challenge starts on April 1st and someone joins 2 weeks before that, this message will be sent to them immediately when they register, even though the challenge hasn't started yet. Here, you'll see the full list of days in your challenge, in this case 21 days, and each day already has a specific date assigned to it. For each day, you'll start by adding a day title. This title is public and appears on your landing page as part of the challenge journey, so it's important to keep it clear and outcome-focused. Next, you can add a daily description. This is the text message that will be sent to participants and usually includes the daily mission or instructions for that day. You'll also see the content delivery time. By default, this follows the challenge time you selected earlier, but if you want to change the delivery time for a specific day, you can do that here as well. From here, you can upload videos, images, and files for each day. Videos are hosted securely inside CommuniPass and delivered to participants as protected streaming links. That means the videos aren't sent directly inside the message and can't be forwarded to people who aren't part of the challenge. Only participants with access will be able to watch them. If you want to share something external, like a Google Drive file or another resource, you can also add external links here. In addition to the main content, you can also add feedback questions. These are optional, and they're designed to help you understand how participants are engaging and progressing through the challenge. You have 2 types of questions you can use. One option is an open question, where participants can reply in their own words. The other option is a closed question with 2 predefined answers, which makes it easy to get quick, clear signals from your audience. One simple way to use this as an example is to send the daily content in the morning and then ask a feedback question later in the day, for example, 12 hours after. You don't need to do this every single day. In fact, using feedback questions once every few days usually works better and avoids overwhelming participants. All responses are collected inside the challenge dashboard, so you can see answers in real time and get valuable insights into engagement, completion, and what's working best. This process repeats day by day. You don't need to upload everything at once. A good rule of thumb is to start with the day titles first, since those appear on the landing page, and then gradually add the rest of the content before the challenge begins. One quick tip about videos, because most creators use video as their main format. In most cases, your videos don't need to be complicated. A short selfie video recorded on your phone is more than enough. No editing, no subtitles, just you talking directly to your audience and delivering the daily value. Of course, if you want to use a different format, that's totally fine. It's up to you. And that's it. Your challenge is ready to run, ready to engage participants, and ready to generate revenue.